all students who put their hearts upon this institution and walk into this campus, showing us their dreams, demonstrating honesty and maintaining integrity, are transformed. And we at COTHM inspire them every single day that they are here to become better individuals. They have to have the ambition, they have to have the humility, they have to have self-belief that they can translate their ambitions and dreams into a reality. COTHM Group of Colleges, a world of excellence in professional education and vocational training.